welcome. She is sleeping now. They aren't writing. We are driving.
As you can see, today we will focus on the present continuous. Let's start. Your Language Studio presents YLS Tutorials with Jane Davis and Jack Brown, English coaches. Before we start, please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Let's begin.
They are playing music. They aren't studying.
He is doing homework. He isn't playing with toys.
Are they making dinner? Yes, they are. Are they eating dinner? No, they aren't.
Is she taking a picture? Yes, she is. Is she reading? No, she isn't.
As you can see, we use the present continuous to describe actions that happen at the moment of speaking. They are playing music. He is studying. They aren't eating dinner. Is she taking pictures? Yes, she is.
We can use now or at the moment to define the time of the action. They aren't studying at the moment. They are making dinner now. Is she taking pictures now? Yes, she is.
Now practice using the present continuous to describe actions happening at the moment.
Thanks for watching. See you in our next tutorial. Bye!